Hey everyone, it's Nicole at NUTLEY Kia. I want to show you a 2016 Kia Sportage. It's a 4-cylinder, takes regular gas, very low miles. You have backup camera, Bluetooth. This is a touchscreen radio. Black and gray interior. You have economy mode to help you save on gas. Power windows, power locks. You have your back seats. There's a 40-60 split. 17-inch tires. And you have your trunk space. This is a certified vehicle, so it does come with roadside assistance. And you have the remainder of the warranty that comes from factory. If you have any information or would like to take this vehicle on a test drive, please give me a call at 973-667-0500 and ask for Nicole. Thank you.